Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, December 24th, 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar. Not much here in the calendar because London session and New York session is apparently closed. As you can see, we got some data from Japan. Mostly national CPI beats the expectations of 0.6%, while the forecast was 0.4% and the previous reading was 0.1%. Very nice jump in the consumer price index. The same situation is with the consumer price index excluding fresh food. Actual reading is 0.5%, beats the expectations of 0.4% forecast. National CPI without the fresh food and the energy is in line with the expectations, minus 0.6%. Corporate service price index is more than expected right now, 1.1%. This figure beats the expectations of 1% and is just a little bit better than last reading of 1%. Housing starts in Japan, as you can see, was than expected, 10.4%. Last readings 3.7%. This reading, so it doesn't look like the Japanese people want to build too many houses this time of the year. So what do we have here on the US dollar to Japanese yen? The US dollar to Japanese yen is moving higher as the wave B is being developed. 114.57 is the next target for bulls. The high was 114.52, so only 5 pips shy of the key short-term technical resistance. The next target eventually is 114.74. Please notice the fact that wave B might climb as high as even the highs of the wave B, and that would be nothing wrong with our ABC corrective decline pattern. However, somewhere here above the 114.54, 114.74, somewhere in that area, the top for the wave B should be found, because we have internally wave A here, wave B here, 1 2 3 4 5 to the upside, and we have a irregular flat. So when the wave B is finished, then we need to complete the ABC correction with the wave C. We are still waiting for this wave, and the targets are 112.25 towards 111.71. so please keep an eye on the current development. We might be topping with the wave B here. Momentum is still strong, momentum is positive, because the wave B is being still made and it hasn't been completed yet. What is euro to the Japanese yen doing? The situation is kind of different here. As you can see, we are right now bouncing from this zone between 127.46, 128.27, which means this is the key short-term technical support zone and technical support level and demand zone for bulls. Right now, the last bounce was a little bit better, because this week the euro to the Japanese yen has been rising towards the level of 129.60, which is the high of the 16th of the December 2021. Now recently we beat this level, we broken above this level, so the next target right now is 130.64, 130.93. so that zone here is the next target for the euro to the Japanese yen. Please keep an eye on this level. And last but not least, let's take a look at the British pound to the Japanese yen. British pound to Japanese yen has broken above the short-term trend line on a daily time frame chart. We broke above the key short-term technical resistance, 152.56, 152.86. This zone has been violated. Very big candle here, showing us the strength of this bullish run. However, this still looks very much corrective. Why? Because if we consider the low of the wave B here, after wave A is done, right now we are making wave C to the upside. So please consider the fact that maybe the market will be reversing soon enough. We retraced exactly 50% of the Fibonacci retracement of the last wave down. As you can see, 38 was violated already, 50%, 153.59 hit. And the question is whether this is enough for bulls. We might do one more projection here. Let's say 100 would be enough, I guess. No, 100 was already done and violated. As you can see, 127% is now the projection, and maybe even 161%. There you go. We got some projections for the wave C to complete. Not too many Fibonacci levels that are very close to you, so not too many clusters. However, it doesn't look bad. The question is how this market will react on the level of 61%. Yeah, 155.32. Maybe this level will correspond with the overbought market conditions, so the down move might start. Okay, let's take a look at oil at least on the daily time frame chart. As you can see, 50% made 50% retracement, finally hit the 73.15, finally violated. So this week crude oil had been going a little bit higher than recently. 50% of the Fibonacci retracement at $73.97 hit. High was made exactly yeah, there you go, 2 pips away. And as you can see, we are right now kind of ready to resume the down move. If not, then 61% is next, 76.65, or even one of these key technical supports shown on the chart: 77, 78.27 and 79.45. So crude oil is bouncing. Corrective decline has been stopped, and right now we have retraced 50% of the last wave down, and we are going higher. And last but not least, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally broken above the level of 48,766, broken above this short-term trend line, tested it from below, and it's heading towards 53,228. This is the next target for bulls. Momentum is hovering around the level of 50. However, any breakout above the blue line and 53,228 will be definitely bullish, and the momentum will enter finally the positive territory. And maybe the next target will be 57,750 or 59,528. Please notice the fact that this is wave A of the correction. We are now doing wave B. There is still wave C waiting for Bitcoin to complete the corrective decline. After the corrective decline on Bitcoin is completed, we can resume the uptrend way above the recent high at 68,959. So please be prepared for this market to complete the correction sooner or later. It might happen even this year, because we still have another week of trading on the crypto and on the rest of the markets, and then when this correction is done, we can expect another wave to the upside, as the uptrend is intact and there is no sign of uptrend termination or reversal yet on Bitcoin. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys on Monday. So take care, Merry Christmas, and bye bye.